Lower inflammation with just 1 cup of black beans a day. How eating chickpeas daily lowered cholesterol in just 12 weeks. 5 easy recipes. Lower inflammation with just 1 cup of black beans a day. Just 1 cup of black beans a day can help curb inflammation in your body, according to a new study. Here are 4 delicious, science-backed recipes to boost your health. Beans are packed with nutrients, including fiber and protein. But here's where it gets even better. A new study suggests that consuming just 1 cup of black beans per day can also lower low-grade inflammation in the body. Researchers at the Illinois Institute of Technology recently discovered the powerful anti-inflammatory effects of black beans in a remarkable trial. They gave roughly 24 people with prediabetes a 3-month supply of canned beans, with simple directions: incorporate 1 cup of black beans into your diet every single day for 12 weeks. In a control group, participants ate white rice instead. Some people mixed their beans into soups, others topped their salads with black beans. Each person in the bean-eating group just had to ensure they were eating a cup per day. It's a habit that people living in the longevity blue zones around the world already do automatically. And this is the part most people miss. With this study, there's fresh evidence that their technique can help anybody who is at risk of developing chronic diseases improve their health and longevity. Black beans owe their dark, deep hue to plant chemicals that may also help fend off inflammation. In this small study, eating black beans had a big impact on people's levels of a protein called interleukin-6, Illinois 6, which is a key marker of inflammation. During the course of the study, black bean eaters reduced their average Illinois 6 levels from 2.57 picograms per milliliter to 1.88, a significant decrease. Lead researcher Indika Edirisinghe, a professor of food science and nutrition at IIT, says he suspects a big part of the reason why black beans are so great at lowering chronic, low-grade inflammation has to do with the chemicals that give them their rich, deep black coloring. They have something called polyphenolic compounds, Edirisinghe told Business Insider. The polyphenolic compounds are bioactive, and they have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity. Just in case participants were stumped on how to start incorporating more black beans into each day, they were given a lifeline. Edirisinghe and his team offered participants several mouth-watering bean recipes, including one for black bean brownies, a chicken and black bean chili, a bean caviar snack dip, and a colorful bean salad in a jar. There's no rocket science, Edirisinghe said. It's very simple, and there's a great opportunity here to become healthy. But here's the controversial part. Some people might argue that eating the same food every day could get boring. What do you think? Could you eat black beans every day for your health? Let us know in the comments below. And now, without further ado, here are 4 of the easy and tasty black bean recipes patients used during the study. How eating chickpeas daily lowered cholesterol in just 12 weeks. 5 easy recipes. ***, did you know that incorporating specific beans like chickpeas into your daily diet could significantly lower your cholesterol levels? ***, this isn't just speculation. Scientific research backs up the powerful health benefits of chickpeas, especially when it comes to heart health. And here's where it gets interesting. Not all beans are equally beneficial for your cardiovascular system. While black beans are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties, chickpeas stand out as a true cholesterol-lowering superfood. Recent studies from the Illinois Institute of Technology have shed light on this distinction. In a 3-month experiment, researchers divided pre-diabetic participants into 3 groups. One group consumed a cup of black beans daily, another ate a cup of chickpeas, and the third group was given white rice as a control. The results were revealing. Those eating black beans experienced notable reductions in inflammation, but the chickpea group saw a more substantial drop in total cholesterol levels. Specifically, their cholesterol decreased from an average of around 200 milligrams per deciliter, considered at risk, to a healthier range of approximately 186 mg per deciliter. So, what makes chickpeas particularly effective at lowering cholesterol? The secret lies in their unique chemical composition. While black beans contain phytochemicals that combat inflammation, chickpeas are rich in phytosterols, plant compounds known for their ability to reduce cholesterol absorption in the gut. This chemical difference explains why a diverse diet rich in colorful plant foods, including various beans, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, is often recommended by nutrition experts. As lead researcher Indika Ederising he explains, each type of bean offers a complex mix of proteins, fibers, vitamins, and minerals, creating a natural food matrix that can't be replicated artificially. Registered dietitian Joel Ramdial, who wasn't involved in the study, but is an expert at Southeast Missouri State University, emphasizes that beans are among the most nutrient-dense and fiber-rich foods available. They can be easily incorporated into meals in numerous ways, blended into smoothies, roasted as snacks, added to soups, or mixed into sauces, making them a versatile and heart-healthy ingredient. To make it simple for people to include a cup of chickpeas daily, the research team provided participants with canned chickpeas, measuring tools, and straightforward recipes. Here are 5 scientifically recommended chickpea dishes designed to help lower cholesterol. 1. Cool ranch chickpeas Toss drained chickpeas with olive oil and ranch seasoning, then bake until crispy. Perfect as a snack or salad topping. 2. Tomato, cucumber, and feta salad with chickpeas Combine chopped vegetables, chickpeas, feta, olive oil, vinegar, and herbs for refreshing, nutrient-packed salad. 3. Honey sesame chickpeas Cook chickpeas in a sweet and savory sauce made from honey, soy, sesame oil, and ginger, then serve over rice with sesame seeds and scallions. 4. Chickpeas with leeks and lemon Sauté leeks and garlic in olive oil, add chickpeas, and finish with lemon zest and juice for a bright, flavorful dish. 5. Roasted chickpea gyros Roast seasoned chickpeas and stuff them into pita bread with tzatziki, fresh vegetables, and herbs for a delicious, heart-healthy meal. These recipes are not only easy to prepare, but also pack a nutritional punch that supports heart health and helps manage cholesterol levels. Incorporating chickpeas into your diet could be a simple yet powerful step toward better cardiovascular wellness. But here's a question for you. Do you believe that focusing on whole foods like beans is enough? Or should we also consider other lifestyle changes for optimal heart health? Share your thoughts in the comments below.